So hey guys, yes, this video I'm going to do something that is okay. I'll tell you in the beginning only. I'm going to swap out the air filter to this bad boy, the K&N air filter. Bought it off Amazon, and this sweet little plate from MK Designs. Kind of disappointed of the price. This costed me 500 rupees. This thin plate. It is machined. I get it why it is priced so much. It's going to be a simple swap. And we need to remove the seat. Keep it somewhere. And we need to access this bolt just right here. And this panel will pop right out. So what I need is this 5 number Allen key, head and extension and ratchet. So to be honest, I now get that I should have gotten a tripod. This is my second time opening this panel in the very same week. And last time I opened for the whole side stand situation I explained in the last video. This time it's for a performance mod, which I was waiting desperately for a very long time. So yeah, you're gonna pop this. It is simple. This just slides in there, and this one pops right in this hole. You remove it. I'll place it here, and then you need to do is unscrew these 3 bolts, and you're done. Hi. What you doing? Yep. Enough distraction. So yeah, need to swap this out. Wait, I like to get comfortable. I'm sitting on the floor and it is very easy. This is just a simple screw. All I need to do is get them off. It is a very simple swap. I mean, anybody with really simple knowledge of mechanics can do it easily. No need for any special service center. So yep, as I said, very easy, and it is very easy to lose the hold of this screw. It is very easy to lose it, so need to find it now. I hope I can just turn on the flash. Where is it? It's somewhere inside there. Are you guys able to see? Yep, there it is. Good thing I have a tool to get it out. If you can see, it is there. I will just put my nose plier in. And here it is out. So yep, this made me help. Made the necessary help. That is gone. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 screws, and the factory piece is out. Here's the air filter. Now, for those who will criticize me for how badly it is choked, to be honest, I was wanting to change it from a very long time. Now, time for the good stuff. We get sticker, we get the air filter itself, and some brochure. This is simple, plug and play. There's a good fit, very good fit. Yeah, it is very tight, making me scared a little. Does it go with a simple single way, or is it maybe this way? So we can put this one with this, but I'm choosing to put the MK Designs plate because it looks good and it will help me get the optimum airflow which I want. This is how it will be held in place. And I'll give you the shot after I'll tighten it up because I need both of my hands for this. So see you in a bit. So yep, I just had it attached. Now I'm tightening it to the fullest, how much ever it goes. And to be honest, it gets very snug, fits very nicely. If you can see, it touches the box itself. I feel I need to pull it out again because this is bending a little. If you can see here, there is some space, there is none here, so I think this needs to go here or here, whatever is good. So I am gonna pull it out again. I'm gonna put it in this kind of orientation and then I'll see if it fits well. Okay. Yep. So where did I keep? Hey, ये दूसरा है, इसका भाई. The one which was standing before. Yeah, so I feel it goes like this. Like this feels way better. This is over. It doesn't touch anything. So yeah, I'll try it this way. Yeah, so see, now the gap is way better than before. Can't believe this fits so nicely, yaar. To be honest, this design is, now I'm feeling it's well worth the 500 rupees I paid. Yeah, looks good, looks good. A good metal plate. What you doing? What you doing? Yeah, heavily restrictive, fully open. I want to do a sound test also. Should I? Let's do one. Put in neutral. Yep. exhaust sound. I don't hear anything. So I just hope it gives me the performance I need. It is fully sealed. It is holding very nicely. And let's hope it gives me a difference next time I ride. So what should we do with the sticker? I think we should apply. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, I feel we should apply it here somewhere. What? Is there any space comfortable enough? I feel I can put it here. I'm not comfortable. I think I should put it like this. K&N right here under the seat. I should put somewhere else on the forks. Here. This will get dirty very soon. Right now, conflicted. I'll think where I should put it. I feel this will be great. Let's put it that way. I am going to put this one. Oh, I hope it doesn't ruin yaar. Just hope it doesn't. The surface needs to be clean before I put it. Apologize for the focusing problem. Yup. I think this will be nice. Like this. Yeah, it looks good. It looks damn well. It looks very nice. And I should put this warning over here. So clean the box. It's very dirty. I don't blame it. It's normally hidden inside. It doesn't need to be cleaned. I should place it right over. Yup. Yeah. Looks good. Yep. Looks good. I just hope it doesn't come off on its own. If it does, then I'll have to do something about it. So, yep, our work is done. Now, all I need to do is put back this panel, which is very simple. This block goes in there, this tab goes in there, and we just align the bolt, which is here. This one and yep, we are done. Easy peasy. Next, I just need to put back the seat me little time. And we are finally slip-on exhaust and a air filter, good for performance. I'm gonna keep the parts here in the box. I'm gonna keep my tools properly. And next video I'll be posting, I'll be trying the performance and I'll share my honest reviews according to it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Signing out.